So today we understand how front-end work with backend. So this is my register page. I will show you. This is the text box. There are the four text box and one submit button. So this is the UI page of register page. UI of register page. Now I will show you the working behind this. So this is my HTML code, as you can see, in which we have label and inputs, text and all, and we have one submit button. Type submit. So now we understand the working behind this. So this is our HTML code. As you can see, now we work on the JavaScript part. So this is our main function register page, register function, and these are our React functional components in which we declare email and set email, and we use route hooks, React hooks like useState and use navigate. So as you can see, I already import useState, and also I use navigate, which use navigate is used to navigate or route on the page that you want, like slash login. After register you want to go on login, that you use navigate hook. So I also import Axios, as we all know, for fetching APIs we use Axios. So these are our React functional components in which we set email name, phone number, password. This is because now in Vite we cannot get the text box value by document.getElement by id, so we need to create React functional components. That's why I create these. So this is our handle form submission. This basically work on the submit button. After filling all details, the it work handle submit, in which we it's create a asynchronous function. By React form event we create handle submit. So it consists all the power of submit button, and these are our basic validation, like if email length less than 10, show invalid email, or email dot index of, if email does not consist any at the rate symbol, so it alert invalid email and return from this function if condition. Here also we use validation on phone number. The length of the phone number should be equal to 10 on none phone number. The customer does not fill this information, alert invalid phone number. As you also create condition validation on password, the password length should be less than 6, sorry, greater than, this is the less than symbol, yeah, and it also include at the rate symbol. Password must be at least 6 characters long, contain at the rate. And after all of this validation handle submission, we create an object in which these are our object key, and this is our value. The key should be similar to the model which you create in the backend, make sure. And after all of this, by creating this object, we call a function user try catch, in which we call our API by using Axios. As all knows, the API should be a post API. Register API is always a post API. So post APIs are take some time to take time to fetch data. That's why we use await, async and await. There is an await async, and here is an await. So make sure when you deal with the database you always use async and await. It's help you very well. It does not show any error when you use async and await. So after all of this, by calling axios.post and the API URL, so you can see the API URL is our http localhost 4000 user slash register, and we pass the register object in that API with credentials true. So with credentials true is basically used for the JSON data, है ना? Yeah. So after all of this console data, and if the everything goes perfect, then alert response dot data dot message. So success message is show. So after all of this, it navigate to login page. When you successfully fill your details in the register page, you automatically navigate to the login page. And this is a catch part in which that we use catches because to handle errors. As you can see here, console.error or alert error while registering user error. Yeah, that's how it's work. Let me show you the working of the by practicing of register page. As you can see, the email should be like myself at the rate gmail.com, and name like myself. And also I want to show you something like if I don't fill the data and click on the submit button, it say please fill out these fields. So that's why we use required. So this is the email and the myself. Phone number you can use anything like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1, है ना? And the password like so when I click on the submit button, it navigate on the login page. So as you can see, the alert user register successfully, and now we currently go on the login page. And after filling the details on the login page, I successfully navigate on the home page. As you can see, alert user login successfully. So this is our home page of our e-commerce platform. So that's how you create your register page working, and also you connect your front end page with your backend. So that's all of this in this video. Thank you so much, and make sure you like and follow and submit. So thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope it clear your doubts like how to create register page or how to connect your register page with your backend. Thank you.